Jotono no khulum ko ani channel o angka tomong no ani channel no subscribe khlaya ko angka subscribe khlai ready angka tal job advertisement tai online information related videos sanamo angka phadi tini kaisa katal job advertisement na lainai omo angka College of Agriculture Tripura, Government of Tripura, Lembusora West Tripura District angka omoni bukhakti rizaka o jagao tlangjangnai young professional oro kaini post tongo angkai eligibility criteria, age limit, date of interview angkai parmanto busake rejangnai omo ang sabono noro video no paithak jorati nai tongdi angkai naidiamo work in interview tlangjangnai naidi Department of Horticulture, College of Agriculture Tripura omo 17 March songnai angkai 11 o changnai omo angkai norok o jagao young professional tlangjangnai khorongnai angka ora naidi eligibility angka graduate in agriculture je graduate paisa agriculture ro borok apply khlai mano oro angka experience handa kanaidi experience in plant pathology and biotechnological work preference rejangnai naidi je preference will be given candidate having higher qualification je kabang qualification pangno rejangnai saka angka age limit angka 20 ni simi 37 rijak kharo tai ST SC rong ni bagai angka to 5 year relaxation rejangnai angka date of interview ngai March ni 17 no angka 20,000 khlai rejangnai per month to angka norok qualification tongkha angka je graduate khlaijak agriculture ro borok tongkha angka apply khlai nai mano interested tongkha angka omo sajaka purely contract basic jingnai angka oro sajaka je candidate interested tongnai naidi biodata at least 4 din chakang interview ni 4 din chakang borongni email tongo o mail o norongni biodata ma rohnai norongni documents photo rok bai baksa angka norok 4 din ni chakang ma rohnai angka 4 jefro interview o thangfro afro rokangkai to onglak oro omo haisa jakre 4 din ni chakang ma rwnai angka norok tomung no interested tongkha angkai to ready angka video ni bagui norok confuse rok nang tongkha angka comment khlai di qualification tongoi norok apply khlai di angkai tongkha angka mo young professional tlangjangnai post kaini tongo angkai interview ngai 17 March 2022 o angkai je graduation in agriculture khlaijak tongnai te experience tongnai borok apply khlai di tomung no interested tongkha angkai norok tabuk phan ani channel no subscribe khlaya ko angka subscribe khlai ready ang katal job advertisement te online information related videos sanamo angkai tinin bagai am sunong sitong jotono no hambai।